students of class 8, how are you everybody? I hope that all of you are keeping well by the grace of the Almighty. I am also fine. Today we are going to enjoy our English class, so everybody get ready with your full attention. I am Anjuna Devina, headmaster of Maulana Abdul Latif Zulekha Girls High School, Uiti. Look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? What are they doing? Absolutely right. They are talking to each other. So what kind of activity is it? Can you tell? Absolutely right. It's a dialogue. So can you guess what is our lesson title today? Okay, our today's lesson is a dialogue on how to improve English. So everybody write the title of the lesson in your notebook. Have you written the title? Okay. Next, there are some learning outcomes of the lesson. After the lesson, we will be able to exchange greetings and then ask and answer questions, and then we have to achieve inspiration, and then last one, write a dialogue. Okay, students, now observe the picture. What do you see in the picture? Right, there are two friends are talking to each other, so that they are making a dialogue, isn't it? Right. So, first friend is talking to his another friend. Peace be upon you, my friend. Then another friend is also talking, also you. How do you do? Then the friend is talking, Alhamdulillah, what about you? Then the next friend is answering, I am well physically but not mentally. Then the another friend is telling, but why? Then friend is replying, I have not done well in the English in the last exam. Then the first friend is talking, what is your problem? Second friend is answering, actually I am not interested in English. Oh, I see. First friend is telling. Then another friend, can you tell me how can I improve English? First friend is telling, why not? Then, please. Then, don't be disheartened, my friend. He is talking to his friend, don't be disheartened, my friend. Then another friend is talking, okay, what can I do first? Then the first friend is answering, you have to prepare mentally. Okay? Then another friend is talking, what do you mean? First friend is talking, I mean you have to determine to improve your English. Is it enough? Then the friend is telling, oh no, please explain. You have to develop your basic skill on English. But wow, but how? The first friend is telling you have to learn word, number, gender, sentence, tense, sentence patterns and others. Okay? Then second friend is telling, has there any fixed skill to develop English? First friend is answering, yes. There are 4 skills to improve your English. What are they? First friend is telling they are listening, reading, speaking and writing. Okay? Second friend is answering, okay. Have you any question more? First friend is asking. Then second friend is telling, if there anything more, please tell me. First friend is telling, remember, practice makes a man perfect. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. You have to continue practice it. The second friend is telling, okay, I will try my level best to follow your instructions. First friend is telling, I wish you best of luck. Okay? Then second friend is telling, Allah Hafiz. So students, it's time to get into pair, and every single pair is suggested to write a dialogue on how to improve English. Okay, it's your pair work. So everybody get ready and write a dialogue by taking pair with your friend, with your partner. Okay? Students, now it's time to evaluate ourselves. So first one, can you tell why is it necessary to learn grammar? Absolutely right. To develop our vocabulary, to gender, number, for acquiring the sentence pattern. Students, now it's time to evaluate ourselves. There are some questions. By the question we can evaluate ourselves according to the lesson, what we have learned from the lesson, we can evaluate ourselves. So first question to you, can you tell why is it necessary to learn grammar? Right. It is very necessary to ask, because without knowing grammar, we can't make any sentence properly, we can't write any word spelling properly. So building the proper communication and improve our English, it is very necessary to learn grammar. For sentence pattern, for words, for number, for tense, it's very, very essential, isn't it? Very good. Then the question is, what is the importance of learning vocabulary? Who can tell the answer? What is the importance of learning vocabulary? Right. By vocabulary, by learning vocabulary, we can make a paragraph, a dialogue, or a big composition, and we can communicate to each other with our friend in our country or abroad also. Very good. Then come to the next question. How many skills are there in English language? Who can tell? Absolutely right. There are 4 skills. First one is listening, then speaking, reading and writing. Thank you so much. And come to the last question is, why is practice necessary to develop English? Because according to the lesson, we came to know that practice makes a man perfect. So we have to practice more and more to develop our English communication skills. So to get a new job, to get a proper job, to get a proper job, to get a good job, it's so much necessary to us. So thanks a lot for your answering the proper. Okay, students, now it's time to write our homework. So everybody write the homework in your notebook. We have to write a dialogue with our friends about how to improve English. Okay, because there is a words universal, speak English and be smart. Okay, so thank you so much for your cordial cooperation. See you in the next class, and so long I wish you happiness. Thank you.